On today's menu, one of the most delicious recipes you'll love from the bottom of your heart. Crispy hearts of palm, rings. Lei ho ma, that's how's it going in Cantonese. I'm Yeung from youngmancooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. This recipe is incredibly delicious. It's one of the new recipes in our brand new third cookbook, which I'll mention in a little bit. Of course, as always, let's get started with the recipe first. This here is beautiful, amazing Japanese kombu, also known as the king of seaweed, because it's got this really robust, thick texture. You should be able to find this easily in a Asian supermarket or of course online as well. They naturally will add this kind of oceany, salty flavor. And you've probably seen me use these in previous episodes when I'm making ramen. I have about 7 grams of kombu that's been soaking in 1 cup of water here for a few hours. You can also soak this overnight as well, but be sure you don't throw out this amazing kombu because there's the most delicious kombu salad I made in the previous episode, which you can use this kombu in. I'll link that in the description box below for you to check it out. Remove and save the kombu for other recipes. Prepare a wet and dry mix station. 1/4 cup flour, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup kombu water. Whisk to combine. For the dry mix station, add 1/2 cup flour, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper. Mix to combine. Set aside the dry mix and wet mix stations. Drain out the water from a 400 ml can of hearts of palm. Carefully slice into pieces about 2 inches in length. Carefully press out the center cores. Use a fork to coat the hearts of palm in the wet mix. Transfer over and coat in the dry mix. This process will help to work in small batches. Set aside the coated hearts of palm. Repeat with the remaining hearts of palm, coating them in the wet mix, then in the dry mix. This looks amazing already. Now you can use the air fryer or the oven, perhaps at about 400 degrees, spray some oil on there. The only thing that you have to make sure is that inside the rings, have to make sure that the flour is coated with some oil so it'll actually cook. If you have a lot of mix left over, you can always make more. So this is a bit of a companion video found in our brand new third cookbook, simply titled Young Man Cooking. To grab your digital or print copy, or to find out more information, take a sneak peek inside the book. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check that out. Now, as the book suggests, let's get cooking. Frying pan, 1.5 cups avocado oil. Medium heat. Give the oil a few minutes to heat up. When you see some bubbles moving around the bamboo chopstick, it's ready. Carefully place in the hearts of palm. In this episode, I'm cooking them in 2 batches. Let them fry for 3 to 5 minutes. Carefully flip the hearts of palm. Fry the other side for another 3 to 5 minutes. Carefully transfer them onto a plate lined with paper towel. Repeat with the remaining hearts of palm. Frying them in small batches will keep them from sticking and overcrowding. Transfer the rest of the pieces onto a plate with paper towel. You can strain out the oil to use at least one more time, but be sure the oil is completely cool. 1/4 cup strained tomatoes or tomato puree. 1 teaspoon Tabasco sauce or more if you like. Mix. Line the serving bowl with parchment paper. Plate. Freshly chopped dill and parsley. Add a couple of lemon wedges to serve. You can now serve up this incredible appetizer with absolute confidence. This recipe will change everything. Man, the flavors are absolutely insane. You get that deliciousness from the salty, the garlic, the onion, and a little kick of that heat from the cayenne pepper. But the hearts of palm just gives this delicious, really tender, satisfying kind of texture. And just gets breaded really beautifully. Also visually, it gets that delightful golden brown, crispy outer layer. The parsley gives it this nice freshness, and the dill just adds this whole new layer of aromatic flavor. The lemon juice really lifts up this dish and adds this extra layer of brightness. When you enjoy these hearts of palm rings with that dipping sauce, it really just blows your mind. Just 2 simple ingredients with that tomato and the Tabasco really gives it this cocktail sauce type of experience. A little bit of heat, a little bit of sweetness, the acidity. And of course, we're not ending this episode without that crispiness test. That is just intense. This is definitely one of those show-stopping appetizers. It's salty, it's savory, it's super crispy. So simple to make, and definitely one of those dishes that turns your home kitchen into an amazing restaurant. Like I always say, it's dishes like this that's just so bursting with flavor that it's a party I definitely want to attend. If you love recipes like this, then definitely check out that brand new 3rd cookbook simply titled Young Man Cooking. Check out our other 2 cookbooks, the Young Man Cooking merch and the Plant-Based Sushi Masterclass. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check out all those things. And as always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next episode.